Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February 16, 2022. I like what I've been seeing recently on the price chart for Ethereum Classic. I'm going to talk about that today on this video, so welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. We try to position ourselves to get in the way of price moves so that we can capitalize and profit from it without the FUD, without the FOMO. So if you guys appreciate it, guess what? Yeah, you can join the team. You can join the community right now. So before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the team. All right, tap that bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it real. You guys don't want to miss out on my price predictions, because the markets, it trades 24/7, 365. Yeah, 7 days a week. So whenever anything changes, you want to make sure that you get an update. All right, so now let me keep it real. I'm fully transparent with my price predictions, and you guys can tell in my last video that I've done for Ethereum Classic, I was telling you all that I was bearish in the markets, and look at what happened to the price. Yeah, instead of the price in Ethereum Classic going down, it started going up. So let's take this as a teachable moment that I'm going to show you that it gives you opportunities as day goes on, as time goes by, to tell you that you may need to cut your original analysis and go the other way. Look at this chart right now. All right, can you tell where the market in Ethereum Classic was letting you know that you may need to take the opposite trade or think differently? Because I know you wanted the price to go down, but the market was trying to tell us something else different. Instead of going down, it was letting us know that it wanted to go up. So let me show you these days, because I did the video in Ethereum Classic on the 27th of January right here, and the market immediately the next day started to give us strength. Okay, right there, the 28th, you guys can tell that these bars right here was letting us know that the market in Ethereum Classic was trying to go up, even on this one, because this day the market in Ethereum Classic on February 7th was giving us weakness. So we would expect to see a continuation of downward prices the following day, which would have been on the 3rd of February. But we didn't see that. Instead, the market still went up. That told you right there that the market was still bullish, that the market was still anticipated to go up in price. These 3 days right here was the clue to tell you that your original analysis of seeing the price go down in Ethereum Classic was wrong. It was incorrect. It was giving you ample amount of time to say, go ahead and cut the losses, because this price is still anticipated to go up. Yes. So we didn't get this right. The market was telling us day in, multiple days, that the price was trying to go opposite of what our original intentions were. Yes, right there. So you would have gotten out right here on this particular day. On this third opportunity, the market was telling us that it was still trying to go up. Yes, around 15.75% versus 34 or 35% if you were to get out now. See, the market tells you when you need to cut the losses. So many people hold on longer than what they need to. 15.75% is a lot better than 35% or 34.5%. It's a lot better. So let me get rid of it, and let me show you what I like on the chart now for Ethereum Classic that kind of tells us that this price still wants to go up. All right, so let's take a look at this first. The trend into the market in Ethereum Classic is still intact. We are still in an upward trend in this market. I mean, we started it towards the end of January, so it's a very short trend that we are on right now. Very short-term bullish trend into the market in Ethereum Classic. That's good. Okay, now eventually, are we expecting the price to break that trend? Yeah, this is not a substantial, strong, bullish, long-term trend. This is not that. It's a very short-term trend. But okay, we got it. But another positive thing that I like seeing is that the fact price is now trading above this horizontal line, which all the way back since April 2021, it was acting as support. Now the market is trading back up above that line, which tells us that that area is still a very prime area to see buying. Yeah, we still need to see the buyers approach the market in Ethereum Classic right there around $27.50. Okay, so Let me go ahead and push this back, and I want to show you all the 2-day time frame into the market in Ethereum Classic to kind of show you that there's still some strength here into the market, right? Fantastic. I mean, look at all of these 2-day price bars here in the market in Ethereum Classic. Take a look at this. Continual upward movement in Ethereum Classic. Now we topped out. Yeah, this is what this 2-day price bar means. We topped out. This is where the selling occurred, right here. How do I know it was selling? Because of the volume as well. See, the market is giving us ideas as to what's occurring. So far, the market has topped out in Ethereum Classic from this original upward trend. So can we expect a pause? Can we expect the market to trade sideways for a couple of trading days before we see a resumption in higher prices? Right here is telling you that there's still strength, that the buyers are still here, willing to buy up whoever sold the last 4 days on this 2-day price chart. They was willing to buy it. So we are still presuming that the market in Ethereum Classic is going to go up. Look at this on the 3-day. Okay. Let's take a look at this on the weekly. The weekly time frame is where we're still seeing the indications of selling occur. So this current weekly price bar that is trading right now is going to be real important for us to know if the buyers are still controlling in a long-term perspective. If anything, I'm not bearish into the market in Ethereum Classic right now. If anything, I'm looking forward to continue to trade above $27.75. That's the location that I'm still seeing this market in Ethereum Classic trade. Okay. So are we out the woods completely of not seeing any more selling and the market in Ethereum Classic just continue to shoot up like a rocket? I'm definitely not saying that. But what I'm saying is that we are noticing the entrance of buying coming into the market in Ethereum Classic right now, which is something that we needed to see because we've been in a downtrend ever since August of last year, 2021. Price in Ethereum Classic has been coming down. And now we're now seeing to where the market is attractive to the price in Ethereum Classic here. Now, are we ready to massively explode in price? I don't see that yet, but this is the beginning stages of us seeing the market in Ethereum Classic consolidate. Okay, so now let me show you all the hourly time frame real quick, and I'm still going to play some bullishness into the market, but I'm not going to be massively bullish right now. No, I'm not. But I'm going to play some strength here though. I'm going to expect the price to give us some upward pressure here into the market in Ethereum Classic. Okay, so let me show you what we got. So now that $27.50 area, 75-cent area, that still needs to be maintained. If price ever trades below that a second time, then this downtrend is still entrenched, the weakness is still there, and the sellers are still dominating the market. All right, now let me zoom out and let's try to play how high we can see the market go, because this high right here that occurred on February the 10th, that's the first area of TP. It's around 15, almost 16%. That's the first location for us to know that sellers are there, because they already confirmed that they was willing to push down the price on the 10th of February. So that's the first location that we need to be prepared to take the bag, that we need to be prepared to take the profitability, right? Now let's see the second area. It's going to be all the way up here towards $40. Okay, so this is how we're looking. First area is going to be around $37.60, give or take, the first high that came in on the 11th, and then the second price target is going to be around 40, and that's it. Okay, so now this is my price prediction, and as always, I like to give the community opportunity to tell me their price prediction, their price targets on where they're noticing the price going in the long term. Well, in this instance, going into the month of March. You know, let everyone know with a comment below, where do you guys think the price in Ethereum Classic is going to go? Again, we're seeing selling right now, so we can see from out the gate price go down, which is why I identified $27.75 needs to be held as support. If it does, we already know that we're still aiming to see higher prices in Ethereum Classic. All right, so let me know real quick. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.